Okay, please, College Board, write this in the right format. It's been many years. Actually, it's not that many years, but it's been a while. So please save us. I'm pretty sure based on the structure, that should be the two separate equations. We have 7 over 8y minus 5 over 8x equals 4 over 7 minus 7 over 8y. Okay, so that's one equation. And we should expect another one. 5 over 4x plus 7 over 4 equals py plus 15 over 4. So in the given system of equations, p is constant. If the system has no solution, just like last problem, no solution, what is the value of p? Okay, so this is our goal, and this is the critical information we need. Okay, so if you saw my last video, I talk actually many videos actually, or many lectures, that no solution means that variable expression will equal, but the numbers are not going to equal. Okay, so we will first simplify both top and bottom. Now the top equation, I do see that y's can combine. So if I move this to the right or to the left or the other way, it doesn't matter. I like positive number better, so I'm going to move it to the left. So it change the sign. Okay, it's the same thing as you add 7 over 8y on both sides, and that's going to give us 14 over 8y minus 5 over 8x is equal to 4 over 7. So that's the top equation. For the bottom equation, I see numbers can combine. So when you subtract 7 over 4 on both sides, or if you move that 7 over 4 to the left, it changes the sign and you can now combine the like term. So we get 5 over 4x is equal to py minus 8 over 4, but you do know that 8 over 4 is equal to 2. So here we have it. Okay, both equations simplified. So our focus is the p here. Okay, so alright, so the first thing we have to do is see if you can substitute. So I'm gonna just multiply 1/2 on both sides. How about that? And the reason is I'm gonna plug it in this 5 over 8x into the top. Okay, so I'll show you now. I just multiply 1/2 on both sides, and when I do that, the bottom equation will now become 5x over 8 is equal to 1/2 py minus 2. Okay, so that's the bottom equation. And I have a top equation, 14 over 8y minus 5 over 8x equals 4 over 7. Now notice that these two are equal. These two are equal, which allows us to plug it in these values on the right into where the highlighted in the top equation. So I'm just using a substitution method. So 14 over 8y minus, okay, I'm substituting it. So you can just imagine that this is like an empty box in terms of py here. So minus 1/2 py minus 2 equals 4 over 7. Okay, so we got this far, and then let's just distribute. Okay, we got this far. So we clearly know the numbers are different. So how do we get rid of these y's? Well, that depends on p here, the value of p. So I'm just gonna say, okay, these two should be equal, and the reason is that we have minus here. Okay, so if you have the same magnitude inside the green box, they will cancel out each other. So we can just focus on the green box and set them equal. 14y over 8 is equal to 1 over 2 py. Okay, so y's can cancel, and then when you multiply 2 on both sides, we get p is equal to 2 over 8 is 1 over 4, and 14 over 4 is 7 over 2. And 7 over 2 or 3.5 will be acceptable. And that should be the answer.